text on the address box, this website. Okay, this is the page. Click here after we read the message. Okay, then here on the top, Suvidha, we select fill self-declaration form. Okay, we close again, and we start filling only the mandatory field, like contact number. So we select the number, Italy for example, Italy, and we put the telephone number. Then we go on the passport number and we text the passport number, the flight number, and we go to next. Okay, this is the second page. After we click on next, that's the second page. So here you have to put the full name as shown in the passport. Okay, date of birth, you select the calendar and choose your date of birth, gender. Okay, and then flight number. This is the flight number that is related to the first flight that lands to India territory. Okay, so suppose you are living from Rome with Qatar, for example. Your first flight goes from Rome to Doha, and the second flight is Doha to India. So in that case, we have to put the second flight. Okay, seat number. If you know your seat number, you put your seat number, or else you just put the 1A as a number. Then nationality. Most of you are Indians, so you select India. Okay, then passport number, and you have to upload your passport copy. Just click here and select your file through the menu. Okay, and the upload file type JPEG and PDF are the only formats which are accepted, and the maximum upload size is 1 mega. Okay, date of arrival. Here you have to select the date of your arrival in India. So suppose you leave today from Italy, you arrive to India on the next day. So just make sure that this is the date of arrival. Okay, country of departure. If it's Italy or any other country, select from here. It's very easy. Okay, then are you taking a connecting domestic flight? So if your flight brings to the destination, you put no, or else you put yes and put your domestic connecting flight number. Okay, upload RT-PCR negative certificate. Okay, it should be taken 72 hours from the departure time. Same format, same size for this. City of origin. If you are living from Italy, Rome, Milan, you click here and text your city. First airport of entry. Okay, for example, if it's Delhi, you select Delhi, or if it's Cochin, go to Cochin. Here, this one will be adjusted automatically in case you select a different airport. Okay, then final destination. This is mandatory house number, final destination street village, and then we go here, final destination state union territories. You select your state, final destination district city, final destination PIN code, it's mandatory, contact number, put your contact number in India, and this is very important, is the email ID where you will receive the declaration certificate. Okay, so make sure that you text the correct ID. Then you have to answer to those questions. Are you experiencing any of the following symptoms? And you put no, 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 or yes, no, I don't know. Are you suffering from one of these? So answer to those. Details of the cities, countries, visit in the last 14 days. Okay, if you are coming from Italy, you didn't visit any other country, just text Italy here. Are more travelers traveling with you? If there are more passengers, just put a plus here and a new form will appear for the new passenger. Okay, just complete the same, uploading the passport and certificate. So in this example, we have only one passenger. So we remove this. You have to agree to all of those and go to submit.